Yeah, 7.
Да? It's mistake.
Mistake.
This distance, да, must be 6 millimeters. Oh?
Must be 6.
Standard planks, да? Standard 6. These planks must be 7 millimeters.
Not possible. Mistake.
Mistake. Да?
Okay. So he's saying that the width of that plank there, спасибо. The width of that plank there on the plans is 7, which is a mistake, because the width of the planks were only 6 millimeters. So they're out by a millimeter on the plans. Very small.
Yeah, yes.
Only small details.
Yes.
Okay, we're now going to bend the plank again.
Yes.
I specifically asked him if we could do another bending, because I haven't actually done one.
That we must have line,
yeah,
before
bending.
Yeah? Well, it's new technology.
Very. This for bread. This very good technology.
Yes,
and this very good. Yeah,
yes, I like.
This. He's just saying that with this technology, the toaster and the iron.
It's a variant. This technology.
Okay. He said it will keep the plank bent permanently, so it won't spring back after a week or anything.
And
like that.
variant making. Oh.
He's putting plastic in there now. He said we've got to make a template first. No, you can't smell that in the camera, but oh, very flexible, very flexible. I don't know if you can get in there.
Oh.
Yeah, camera can see.
Oh.
Wow.
That's just become like rubber.
Oh.
That's become
Small time.
That's just become like rubber. He kept it in there for maybe 15 seconds.
Marking. Yeah. Oh.
Now fixed.
Our
plank.
This line. Huh? It's a shablon.
It's a template. It's just a template. Can I put in?
Yeah.
I'm going to try this. I'm going to tell everyone that I've done this.
It's a very good length board.
So what's the...
He's saying this is a very... Oops.
Oh.
You can just see. That's... Hot? No, niet Gargo.
No.
It's not hot. It's not hot to hold. So you can see, you just press it on there. Okay, when I make pretty solid contact with it, it is hot, but not when you're just touching the ends of it. And it's pretty solid now.
Yeah.
Whoops.
Oh.
Yeah.
Good.
Now for plank.
Now a new plank. Tak.
Oh, paper in this side, yeah?
Yeah, paper on that side, yeah. Yeah.
Oh,
So we're going to be bending it.
Not, yeah? It's a mistake. Oh,
Yeah. Black paper.
yeah.
So the black paper has to face down because obviously the plank is going in that way.
Please. Oh, no, one moment.
Maybe.
One
Okay, he's explained that the wood is going to get actually get very hot.
two, yeah?
Maybe. The wood's going to get very hot. Good.
No.
Two.
Oh, two.
2 pairs. The wood's going to
Very
get
hot.
very, very hot. Not hot. Not jarko. Ochen jarko.
Good.
2 pairs of gloves. Oh.
That's it.
Oh. How long?
How long? I see control. Yeah?
You look.
You look. Yes.
You can actually smell a bit of a woody smell.
No.
More?
More. Yes.
Are you getting in there? I don't know if Ivan, you can get it from this angle, just run around. The wood.
Switch pitch. Сейчас.
Microwave.
Microwave.
Good? Плохо? Yeah.
Good.
Good?
Да.
Ah, microwave.
Microwave. Да, вот.
Yeah. Oh, good.
Now, I don't know why you suddenly...
Oh. But more.
More. Ooh, hot.
Huh?
Hot. So you bend more than the line because it's going to spring back. Bend, big bend. Ochen bend.
Oh, yes. Oh? Not good, huh? Not good.
More.
More. Yes. Sure.
Again. I should have timed it. And the smell, I think. It's actually browning now.
Oh, boy.
Oh, no good.
Not good. Сейчас. Сейчас.
You're missing out on all the corners.
Yeah.
He just said that a 6mm wide plank is hard to bend laterally in that direction. If it was thinner, he's saying there wouldn't be a problem. I'm going to try it again.
And how? Planks, да? Wood, да? Parallel.
Yep.
Yes?
Yep.
Wood. Oh, what? Вот так.
Yeah.
Not good.
Not good. This good,
Да.
bad, плохо.
Плохо.
Молодец, плохо.
Да.
So he's saying if the grain is along the line of the wood, it's good. If the grain is not against the line of the wood, break. Bani mayo. So what exactly are you looking for, Dr. Michael?
Oh, alright.
Look.
Yes, yes. It's
break.
it's not good. Yeah?
Not good. Okay, I don't know if you can get in on that.
It's not good.
Spot just there. Okay, he's just trying to bend this again. You can see it's starting to split at the tip there. So he's saying that this wood is not good, and he's going to show us a different technology to try and bend the wood.
Oh.
Just get the soldering on.
Oh. Oh.
Okay, yeah. No, whatever you think.
It's not good.
You can see he's just drawn with a pencil the lines of the grain, and that's why the wood is starting to split in that direction. Just film that. No, you don't have to film that. He's just got a soldering iron here, and he's just explaining to me that it's 100 watts. And this is what he's going to use to bend the wood. Just wait, pause. Okay, it's going. Okay, he's just explained this plastic piece of material that he's just got. When he put it in the toaster, it was all flexible. He said this is a perfect device to use for planking the hull and to achieve the different shapes on the hull. We'll look at this again when we deal with planking the hull.
What's this?
The sword fighter, sailor with the sword.
Zorro.
Zorro.
Okay, we've got a perfectly straight, very narrow piece of wood here, and we're going to try and bend it this way permanently. Dr. Michael will show us how to do it. He's got a soldering iron that's been heated up till it's very, very hot, and you can see he's just running it along, and it's just bending. Ah, magic.
Oh?
If the wood is bigger, problem?
Then much bigger.
For example, this wood.
What? On this wood.
On this wood.
What? Yes. Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Small bend. Small bend.
Good.
Good.
Oh.
Can I try Dr. Michael?
Oh.
Ah.
It's not good.
Not good.
Ah.
So he's just explaining that this is not good. Sucharik?
No, Sukhari.
Not always. Okay. Okay.
It's
hot.
Hot. It's very hot.
It's very hot.
Да? Hot.
Hot, very hot here.
Oh, very, very
Нет,
hot.
нет.
Yes, да.
Спасибо.
Oh, another detail. It's my
Another.
opposite.
Okay.
Yeah?
Okay.
What, yeah. I know it.
So this part of the soldering iron is extremely hot, very hot, and hot. He's told me not to use it there. So perfectly straight piece of wood. I can feel that bending in my hands. Very, very very slightly. Спасибо. Look,
Yes.
already.
Yes. Yes. Oh, not.
Move.
Oh.
Always.
Oh, no. Not.
Niet. So he's telling me not to bend it. Because otherwise you can see the wood is bending this way. Niet.
Speed is very small. Huh?
Very slowly. Yeah.
Oh, good. Time is very small. Yeah. Yes.
More.
Yes.
More.
Yes.
I'm gonna try this again. He's saying I should have gone slower. We're not pressing like that.
Oh, yes.
We're just running it along. See how slowly we're going there? No,
Good.
no downwards pressure. I'm just pulling. You can see a tiny split developing just there. No good. Well, the wood in that area is actually very thin. Look, thin.
No, it's gold. Good. Very good. Yes? But it's not difficult.
He's saying that if the piece of wood is flat,
Yes, but
it's very difficult.
It's not difficult. What?
Yeah. So here we've got a square piece. Very easy. A square piece. This shouldn't be a problem. It's got a square cross section. He's referring to the cross sections in that image there. Too slowly or good?
Good.
Hard.
Then more hard.
difficult.
Yeah, they're more difficult. Right.
If then bend wood this way
Yeah.
and then cut like this.
What? This work? Easy.
Easy, yeah.
Easy. Oh.
Yeah, he's saying bending it in that direction is very easy, which we already
Yes.
sort of knew. Oops.
It's not difficult.
Very easy. Yeah. This hard.
Oh, this very difficult. What?
This only certain.
How?
Oh. Okay, Dr. Michael's just explained that the technologies we've observed to try and bend the plank against its width are very limited. There's only so much bending you can do in that direction with heat. There's only so much you can do. If you need to bend the plank even more for very extreme planking, then what you do is you turn the wood and you bend it that way using steam. Now naturally you have a thicker piece of wood and then you run it through the saw that way to cut the planks. If you just keep the camera there, I'll give you some examples of work he's done. So that's one plank with rather extreme bending, and here's another plank with extreme bending that's going to go on the boat that sits on top of the ship. If you can see the inside of that, it's got a burn mark. Not sure if you can just see that there. See that burn mark on the inside? That's because he's
dangerous.
yeah, dangerous. That's because he's done that and bent it that way. Is this correct, Dr. Mishka?
Correct? No.
No,
Correct? No.
Okay.
Must be. No, it's oh. Gopher must be. Oh. Yes. Must be. Oh. What's this?
Burn.
No. What? It's not good. Oh?
Yeah. You can just see there. Yeah, I understand.
Mm-hmm.
This is the soldering iron.
Yes.
Soldering iron. And he's just explained that we've got a thicker piece of wood,
Yeah.
like this for instance.
Yeah. But are there? Huh?
Yeah.
Yeah?
And he's bent it that way. So he's rubbed it to bend the plank that way, and then he cuts the planks this way into the wood, and then he ends up with lots of little curved pieces. One of which is this. So that's. You don't have to get such a close.
Okay.
So this piece has come out of a wider piece that's been put around the sander like that.
Oh. Yes.
For example, this wider piece which has been bent in a nice direction, and you can see the burn marks there, and this is just chopped out of it like that, like one chop there, one there, one there. So it basically goes through the saw like that, and this plank is bent in a direction that it can bend rather than against its width.
Oh.
Dr. Michael will show us now.
Oh. Yeah.
And then you've basically got that same. Symmetrical.
One board, two board. Yes.
Symmetrical.
Yes.
So not only
it's
that, but
very
you'll
good.
actually get a
One
perfectly
board, two board.
symmetrical pieces. So they've got the same shape. Yeah, that's true. There is symmetry there. And the other thing is grain of wood. Dr. Michael, grain. Ooh. Grain. You understand?
What? No.
Grain of. So, with the soldering iron, in conclusion, you can bend a piece of wood in the direction that it can bend, rather than along its bending it that way. We're bending it this way and then cutting planks this way from it downwards. That'll give us thinner strakes that have a strong curve. Now I've asked him what thickness of wood he can use, and he said that the less the radius of curve, or the less curve that you want to put it into it, the thicker you can have the piece of wood. Obviously, if you want to curve the wood a lot, you need to be using a. Is it thicker wood? Just stop it, Ivan. More N. I've asked him about the bending capabilities with a soldering iron, and he's drawn a bit of a diagram here, and what he's explained is that if we consider the cross-section of three different types of wood, where N is the width of the wood, S is the depth of the wood, the larger n is relative to s, the tighter the capability to bend the wood. So for instance, this cross section here, you can see it's very wide compared to its height. You can get a very, very tight bend out of it. With a square piece of wood, or almost square, the bend you can get out of it is much less. And this diagram summarises that. So the ratio of n over s, where n is the width of the wood, s is the height over the wood, determines how tight the curve. The higher the ratio n over s, the tighter the curve possible. So the wider the wood, the tighter the curve possible.
For minimal radius. Oh, this, da? Damage. In this, no damage. Yes? Understand?
Yeah. Oh, understand. Okay. Okay, so what he's done is he's cut a couple of bits of scrap pine. You might just want to zoom out a bit, Ivan. He's just cut a couple of scrap pieces of pine, and he's explained that you can strap that to that and then bend the wood, and this will help to apply pressure to prevent the wood from splitting. You don't split the wood up here. Can I do this one, Dr. Mishka?
Yes.
Can you hold, please? Spasiba. Let's just try that.
Oh,
Here? Like
very, very hot. It's
oh, very hot. Sorry. Yes.
Oh, this.
Here?
Press.
Press. You have to press.
Speed is very small.
Very small.
Yeah.
Hot. Жарко.
Yeah.
What is that? Dr. Mishka,
Yes.
please. Finger here always. Finger.
Finger. It's a high speed.
Too high speed? More slowly?
More.
Oops.
Oh, it's a practice. It's a practice.
This молодец speed or
Молодец.
blocker speed?
Good speed. Good. In this side, yeah? Oh. Yeah. Big detail, huh?
Big curve.
Radius.
Good, but
It's
burnt. Good radius of curve.
What is
Burnt.
burnt? Изгиб, yes.
Burnt. Black.
Black.
This
It's
problem?
no problem.
You say it's no big problem.
Так. Сейчас, момент.
Really?
Сейчас.
Perfect. And you can see it's all gone now.
And this distance.
Yeah.
Да?
Yeah.
Да?
S.
S. Oh, да. And guess. So
Very big, very big.
да.
Big, tight curve.
It's a very...
Like this.
Да. Yes, yes.
You can bend like this.
Yeah.
Can I try? Again, protective wood.
Oh, значит,
Or
щас.
нет?